I'm 13 WMAZ meteorologist Alex Forbes. Hurricane Elsa, a Category 1 hurricane, winds of about 85 miles an hour there in the eastern parts of the Caribbean Sea, pushing through the Lesser Antilles. It's moving to the west at about 30 miles an hour, and it's going to make landfall in Cuba as a hurricane, maybe a Category 1 as we head into Monday or so, but then curving up into the Gulf of Mexico, potentially impacting Florida and central Georgia as a tropical storm as we get into the middle parts of next week. Let's take a look at the models. The European is breaking Elsa apart, but on the same wavelength, the European never developed Elsa and it did not strengthen Elsa into its current status. So taking that with a grain of salt. So let's watch the GFS here in the orange, continuing to pull it into the Gulf of Mexico, and a lot like the cone that you just saw from the National Hurricane Center, bringing it into central Georgia as we get into the middle part of next week. The spaghetti plots, more of the same, some of them curving it out into the Atlantic, but really think that's unlikely. We're probably going to see a landfall in the United States somewhere on the Florida Gulf Coast, anywhere from Tampa up to Panama City. That's where the cone is as of now, and then potentially impacting our weather again in the middle part of next week. So hurricane warnings are in effect for the Caribbean, and we're looking at potential impacts in Florida next week. I know next week's a popular travel week, so if you're headed down to the Sunshine State, not going to see a whole lot of sunshine down there. And again, central Georgia, we're watching it for the middle part of next week.